Hi, welcome back to Soleil House. A lot has happened since we were last here. The waterproofing is done on the walls and the stucco is being done as we speak. We also added tongue and groove oak on the ceilings, on the patio overhangs, and also on part of the inside of the house. Our windows were delivered probably a couple of months ago. They're all installed now. And we went with an aluminum frame because that's what would have been used in the 1960s. So here we are on the deck. We've installed the tongue and groove on the ceiling overhang. The decking is yet to come. We're using a product from TimberTech. So that is one of the next steps that's going to happen. And here we are on our new and improved deck. So as you can see, the pool has been demoed, but to kind of take advantage a little bit more of the view, we're adding a plaster bench that's going to go around the curve so that you could sit in the pool and admire the view. We're going to actually make it slightly shallower. It was really deep, and with the cost of heating a pool and also the fact that there's no longer going to be a diving board, we decided it was okay to make it slightly shallower. Along the flat side of the pool, when we demoed it, we discovered that there were little water jets that would shoot kind of an arced shape of water into the pool. And I thought that was a really fun detail to make it feel like a party house and, you know, something that I think was a little more common in the 1960s. So we're going to have 3 jets along the flat side of the pool to just shoot those little arcs of water in. Behind me, we're going to continue the concrete blocks around this curve. So the rebar that you see sticking up is sort of where we're going to pour the concrete to be the foundation of that wall. And then all this debris will be cleared out and we're just going to do a concrete pool deck. All right, so we're inside now and we have drywall, which is exciting. All the insulation went in and the drywall is up. And you can see the tongue and groove on the ceiling, which I'm really loving. That'll only be on the lower part of the house. The upper part is going to be a drywall ceiling. So this is what's going on in the living room. The sliders are in and we're ready to start doing all the finishes. We are working around the clock. It's mid-November and Modernism Week is in February, so the house has to be done. The tours are sold out, but this is the fun part because this is when all the finishes are going to start coming in.